Binigyan tayo ni Lord ng freedom eh. The freedom to, and the power to. Nung binigyan tayo ng the power to think, to speak, and to move, gusto ni Lord, yung tiwala mo nasa Kanya. At lahat ng nangyayaring dilubyo sa mundo, hindi naman siya may gawa nun. Tandaan nyo, may kalaban. Ang demonyo, he will try to shut you out. He will try to put your hands together and don't move. He will try, the enemy will try to put bad things in your mind because of your freedom. Kaya nga itong kalayaan na binigay sa atin ni Lord, ingatan natin. Huwag niyong abusuhin. Kung nagkakasabit-sabit ang buhay natin, andyan si Lord, humingi ka ng tulong.